Hi guys, this is Anthony George of Cutting Edge Guitar here, introducing you to the Advancing Guitarists online course. My guess is that you're watching this video because you're looking for the answers to some very common guitar problems. All through my guitar teaching career I've met players that are already fairly accomplished but want to be better. They know they aren't playing as well as they would like and they want direction and structure that gets real results. In my teaching career I've heard so many students say things like, there's loads available online, almost too much to choose from. There's an ocean of information that I've been dropped into but I have no idea how to find what it is that I need to improve my playing ability right now. Being on your own with this can be an incredibly difficult place. The Advancing Guitarists online course is for players in this position. Maybe you always fancied going to music college but for various reasons life gets in the way. The Advancing Guitarists online course provides you a music college level education but from the comfort of your own home. So if you're saying things like, I can't play fast enough, or I just play the same stuff all the time and I want to break out of the monotony of that, or if you're asking questions like, what should I be playing to get better, then the Advancing Guitarists online course is for you. Whether you play blues, rock, jazz and fusion or any other contemporary style, studying these courses will improve your instrument knowledge with chords, scales and arpeggios, improve your technique, and those two things equate to knowing where everything is on the instrument and then being able to execute your ideas fluidly, hence improving your playing to where you want to be. The most important element for any serious learning program is structure. The Advancing Guitarists online course is designed to provide you with all of the tools you need to play tastier, smoother, connected lead lines that make real musical statements. Let's take a look at some of the work that you'll study on the course.